Yesterday we derived the general formula for the potential. Now the next one is the relation between the potential and intensity of the electric field. The electric field intensity in the previous chapter, it is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R square. It can be written E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R into 1 by R. But V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R. So therefore in place of this 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R, we can write V. So therefore E is equal to V into 1 by R. This R is cross multiplied, so V will be equal to E into R. That means potential is equal to intensity into distance. This is the relation between potential and intensity. Then after that, the next one is potential at a point due to a group of electric charges. For that we will consider there are a number of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn at distance R1, R2, R3 up to Rn respectively from the point P. This is the point P where the potential is to be calculated. So this is Q1, its distance is R1, this is Q2, its distance is R2, this is Q3, its distance is R3, this is Q4, its distance is R4, this is Q5, its distance is R5 from point P. But we know the general formula for the potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R. Using this formula, V1 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 upon R1. V2 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q2 upon R2. Similarly, V3 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q3 upon R3. V4 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q4 upon R4. V5 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q5 upon R5. Now for total potential, V will be equal to the algebraic sum of all these potential V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and so on. So therefore we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q2 upon R2 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q3 upon R3 and so on. Now this 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is taken common, so we will get Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 and so on. It can be written in the form of summation. It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 summation I is equal to 1 to n Qi upon Ri. That means in place of I we can write from 1 to n.